कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। व्हाट एन अमेजिंग वीक दिस हैज़ बीन, अ ट्रंकेटेड वीक विथ वन डे शॉर्ट। महाशिवरात्रि की कल छुट्टी थी एंड वी हैड ओनली 4 ट्रेडिंग सेशंस, बट व्हाट अ सुपर परफॉर्मेंस इट हैज़ बीन। Let's quickly go back and check this summary for the previous week. Now, last week we were categorical about if Nifty breaks above 15,214, then the next bullish target will be 15,492. So, in spite of the fact that the SGX Nifty was showing prices above 15,400 and whatnot, but still Nifty couldn't sustain above this level of 15,214. It was a fake breakout and market corrected heavily today. Also, with case of Bank Nifty, break above 36,225, then the next bullish target would be 36,943. Now, interestingly, both these indices, they have crossed this important level in today's gap up, but they couldn't sustain at those levels, and then there was a fierce selling throughout the day. Now, it will be prudent, important to see whether this selling is limited only for the day today or there is more to it. So let's talk about it. So this is my today morning's message. It was shared today morning at about 8:35. And in market kya lagta hai, for this week I shared my view about market being bullish. So far for last 3 trading sessions we are seeing that the opening is positive and prices are still above last week's close. So Friday का जो close था उसके ऊपर हमें market की prices चाहिए थी. As suggested, can today be the day of momentum? Nifty must break above 15,214 and Bank Nifty must break above 36,225 to show us next bullish target. So far this week the price move is satisfactory. As for stocks, I am trading Dr. Reddy, HDFC, Wipro, Federal Bank. Will be interesting to watch today's action. So after opening, I booked these long positions at about 9:30, 9:37. And prices could not primarily sustain above these levels. So I want to show this a little detailed analysis about Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So without wasting much of our time, this is a chart of Nifty on a weekly chart, and as you can see, for past few weeks the price action is little consolidated and the high that has been created during the 5th February week is not been taken out yet. So this also suggests there is a weakness, so there is a selling pressure in the indices. And if we quickly go on to hourly chart, so we get to see now this is how it looks like. So again, starting this was the top which happened on 16th of February, and from there this is the significant low, right? So as long as this low is intact and we are holding up above this Friday's low, the bias can be considered as a little cautious. So if this low is taken out, 14,862 level, if this level is taken out, then the bias would turn to bearish for the short period, short term. Okay, so if we just check this is the level that I have drawn. These are my previous weeks Fibonacci retracement. This was the target that we had considered, and this is the important level 15,214. Now this level surprisingly got breached today at the opening and market could not sustain above there, and then it fell rapidly, it corrected rapidly. So now right now all I'm saying is if this low of 14,861, this will be an important level, and if this level is broken on the lower side, then we may see this target of 14,781, or there could be one more target of 14,223. So these are the two targets that I'll be looking at. The first target that I mentioned is 14,781, and the second target I mentioned about 14,223. Now how this 14,223 target arrived, you can just calculate 1.272 of this fall. Okay, and on the basis of this target 14,200 can be read. So this is almost similar, so I'll keep it as it is, not going to change to exact level per se. So this is about Nifty. The overall action, if you see, is not very convincing, not very convincingly bullish. And as far as I can see, uh, we should see a bearish target minimum of 14,700 and about 14,233, and then we'll take a review that what's next that is going to happen. In the meantime, let's say if Nifty breaks above 15,214, which is unlikely, highly unlikely, but if this happens, then the next bullish target might get activated. But right now the bias is more on the bearish side. So this must be clear to all of you. When we come to Bank Nifty, a similar kind of a weakness can be seen in Bank Nifty weekly chart as well. And for past 4 weeks, all the rallies, all the bounces are not being able to sustain, and there is a selling happening. So if we go on to hourly chart to establish this fact or to understand how these things are happening, so quickly get back my drawings. So if you can see the Nifty important resistance level of 36,225. Now, whenever I say important resistance level, the market closing above this level is very, very essential, very, very crucial. And if it is not happening for this week, if we see, this is the Monday's action, this is Tuesday's action, this is Wednesday's action, Thursday, yesterday was a holiday, and this is Friday's action. So whatever was done within last 3 days is being undone in just 1 day. So very interesting kind of a scenario that can be seen. And if with the same logic how we calculated our target for Nifty, similarly if we see, we have a bearish target in Bank Nifty, which is about 34,232 and 33,287. So these are the two targets. But essentially I feel this level must be broken. The Friday's low must be broken, and if the Friday's low is broken, the low which was made on 5th, once this low is broken, then the next bearish targets can be reached. So that level is 34,804, important support. Now I'm writing it important support. This should be broken, and on the basis of this we will get the next bearish action. 893 is the level. So this is one important level for this particular week, and then the next targets will get activated. Very, very interesting part that we can see. I'm quickly changing this as well for this particular line. So this low is 14,862. Okay. Cool. So as long as this important support level is there, once it is broken, then the next targets naturally will get activated. So the range for this particular week is going to be 15,214 and 14,862. So once it breaks on the downside, then the next targets will get activated. As for Bank Nifty, the range is going to be 36,225 to 34,893. And if it breaks on the downside, then the next bearish targets can be seen. So the first target will be 36,650 and the second target will be 34,232, and so on and so on. Let's take one step at a time. Don't be overly bearish on this market, because we are in a bull run and we have to ascertain if the market is showing us bearish bias, and then and only then on the basis of that we have to take our next step, right? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I believe you guys are enjoying these videos which are being shared, and maybe it is helping you analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty in a little better way. And if you feel so, do write into the comment box. Help us understand how do you think about this series called Market Kya Lagta Hai. and do share these videos. Thank you so much.